रिलायंस भारत का पहला मल्टी आर्ट सेंटर शुरू हो गया है। मल्टी आर्ट सेंटर का नाम नीता मुकेश अंबानी कल्चरल सेंटर है। इसे मुंबई के बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में वाक़ जियो वर्ल्ड सेंटर के अंदर तैयार किया गया है। कल्चरल सेंटर के इफ्तिताह के मौके पर नीता अंबानी ने डांस परफॉर्मेंस किया। नीता अंबानी ने कहा कि सकाफती मरकज़ के ख्वाब को हकीकत बनाना उनके लिए एक मुक़द्दस सफ़र जैसा है। नीता अंबानी ने कहा कि हम एक ऐसी जगह बनाना चाहते हैं जहां हमारा सकाफती विरसा फले फूले।
The NMACC is a dream come true. For a long time, we had nurtured a dream that India should have a world-class cultural center. We were keen to create a space for promoting and celebrating our artistic and cultural heritage in cinema and music, in dance and drama, in literature and folklore, in arts and crafts, in science and spirituality, all of which is India's intangible national wealth. Dear friends, culture weaves the threads of mutual understanding, tolerance, and respect that knit communities and countries together. Culture brings hope and happiness to humanity. Therefore, as an artist, I hope this center becomes a space that celebrates the arts, the artist, and the audience. A space where our people can feel proud of their heritage. हम चाहते हैं कि यह एक ऐसा केंद्र बने जो कला, संस्कृति और ज्ञान की त्रिवेणी का संगम हो. We envision this center to become home not only to the finest talent from Indian cities, but also from our small towns and remotest villages. I truly hope this space continues to inspire and empower our future generations. For as long as we have the stage, we have a voice. And as long as we have a voice, we have the power to tell our stories. Stories to shape our history. Stories to create a new tryst with destiny. And stories to change the world for the better. Esteemed guest, as I performed on stage in this grand theatre today, I couldn't help but feel the same excitement of the Neeta when she was 6 years old. Even after all these decades of being on stage, I still feel the same energy and gratitude I felt at that young age. Be it for my Bharatanatyam performances or the college plays that I worked on. I still remember my first play in college was with a young talented actor called Feroz. And as they say, life comes a full circle. I'm delighted to have my friend Feroz right here with me today as the director of the first theatrical presented by the NMACC. My dear friends, before I end, I want to thank my family for their faith and trust in me. I especially wish to remember my father-in-law, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, who believed in women's empowerment and encouraged me to think big and pursue my dreams. I was deeply moved while performing on the bhajan Raghupati Raghava, a favorite of my father, Shri Ravindra Bhai, whose gentleness and compassion continue to guide me.
Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. A special Jai Shri Krishna to Bhai Shri Ji, Maharaj Ji and Sadhguru Ji. Dear friends and distinguished guests from all over the world. Once in a lifetime comes only once in a lifetime. And today is that time for us. On behalf of my family, a very, very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome to the Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center. Welcome to what we hope will become India's finest platform to present our culture in all its diversity and depth. A home to art and culture in all its forms. From the visual arts to the performing arts, from musical fountains to musical theatricals, from costume to canvas, from fashion to food, from conventions to celebrations, all under one roof, only at the Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center. And bringing the center to life has been an absolute labor of love and joy. It's named after my mother. The NMACC is a tribute to her lifelong devotion to the arts. As a trained classical dancer, the stage has always been my mother's temple. But her love for the arts has transcended beyond medium or form. Over the years, I've seen her dedicate herself to reviving, preserving, and promoting traditional Indian arts and crafts, be it the Pattachitra paintings from Odisha, or weaves from Kashmir, or pottery from Kutch, or music from Bollywood, or for that matter of fact, all over the world. The Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center is the embodiment of her vision. At this center, we hope to showcase the best of India to the world and bring the best of the world to our home, India. The NMACC is not only the fulfillment of a lifelong dream, it is also the beginning of a journey to rejuvenate and reimagine creative experiences and expressions, a journey to encourage and nurture talent no matter where it comes from, to give a platform and voice to the arts, the artists, and to you, our very dear audiences. Ladies and gentlemen, your presence here today for the inaugural weekend means the absolute world to us. Thank you for coming here today and sharing in our joy and excitement for the opening. We have been looking forward to these days for years, but we couldn't have imagined the warmth, beauty, and glory that you have brought to it. We have cherished putting this weekend together for you, and I truly hope you enjoy and savor every moment of it. And now, it is with the greatest pleasure and pride that I bring to you, for the first time ever, over 350 artists on stage in a musical. For the first time ever, over 1,100 costumes in a theatrical production. For the first time ever, the Budapest Scoring Orchestra live in Mumbai. The Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center presents our opening show directed by Feroz Abbas Khan, the great Indian musical Civilization to Nation.